So it is important lab that will discover how you can go ahead with troubleshooting if your Linux server is running very slow. So let's go to the Red Hat 10 machine. Before that, requesting you to support my channel and donate us to support us so that we can make these kind of the videos for scholars so that they can pass the exam, they can make career in the Linux. So donate any amount to this or given number. Let's go to the Red Hat. So here you can see that this machine is a Red Hat 10 machine. And first we will create a CPU BGA application, a script that will make the CPU busy, right? So going to the Red Hat machine and making a script, right? So how you will create sudo vim CPU busy .sh. So it will be a shell script. So first you have to write the shebang, right? So we are using bash shell. It is called shebang. After that, we will create a loop, right? So we are creating the loop. So this way, we are creating a small script. The loop is going on and it will busy the CPU, and we will simulate our environment that we will focus on who is doing busy, the CPU, RAM, or hard disk. What is the problem? So this is a small script we are writing, right? And now we are executing the chmod command to give the execute permission to this script, right? So we will try to run this script and we will see that how we can troubleshoot. So I'm running the script cpu busy.sh, right? Now the script is running and now focus on see. Now I'm going to the second terminal. First we will see the load of the machine. That is a command, very important command is, and that is uptime. So with the help of uptime, you can see my date and how much time my server is going on, how many users are uh, basically logged on, and this is the load. So this is the load of the server, right? So here it is you see that after 0.35 the load is increasing because my CPU busy script is continuously running and making the loop. It is making the CPU busy. So you can see that load is increasing every time. Load is increasing. So this way you can see that in 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes, how much load your server has. It is a good way to see that what is the load of your server in different interval, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. So here we see that your CPU load is increasing, right? Because we are running the script. See, every second the CPU load is increasing. So this is the way how to see that load of the CPU. Very good command uptime. And now we will find the another command through which we will focus on the another parameter, right? Now see the ps command through which we will see that our CPU is how much busy. So with the help of ps command we will see these columns and we will sort the CPU. First the CPU will processor will tell us that how much it is busy. So with the ps you can see here CPU is busy 94%. And who is busy? The CPU. It is a culprit, CPU busy.sh. And what is the PID of this? So when you are finding the CPU is busy, you have to kill this PID so that CPU will be free. So how you can kill? So let's give you the command. So after seeing that the CPU is busy by the script or any command, so I'm killing this PID 37361, right? Now it is killing, and after that you will see that CPU is no more busy. Run the same command once again, and you are finding that CPU is not so much busy, right? So here, because the script is has been killed, so CPU is not busy right now, right? So that is a good way to see that how you will find out the CPU has how much busy. Now we will run the same command once again, but this time we are focusing on the memory. So in the CPU section, you have to type mem. So we want to see the memory, how much memory is busy by which process or command. So you can see this genome shell is taking 15.9% of RAM. So RAM is not much busy. So if you are finding any process that is basically uh, taking the RAM busy in busy mode, so you can kill that the same way, right? So in case of CPU, now we are focusing on memory. So by these two commands, we can see memory and RAM, memory, RAM, and CPU status, processor status, right? Now we will use the command iostat. It is showing you that command not found because you don't have a package. So first we will install the package sudo dnf install this state. This package is giving you the iostat command. So sys state package first you need to install. If you don't know how to configure DNF, you can check my playlist. And then you will run the iostat command, right? So in some moment it will be installed. Now the sys state package has been installed, so we have to run the iostat command. So we will see how much our hard disk is busy, right? So before that, we want to see that which hard disk we are planning to uh, see. So first you have to run the command ls-l dev mapper. So it will show you that your RHL root is belonging to which hard disk, the DM0. So by this command we can see the RHL root is corresponding to which device, DM0. So we will focus on the DM0. Right? Now we will run the command iostat. See the disk performance, hard disk performance. So the command is iostat -x. So it will display you. First see the headings. So you have to find this value, that is the last value. So percentage utilization. So your hard disk DM0 utilize how much percent. So it is a last column, and see the last value here. This is the last value. It means your hard disk is busy 1.69%. It means your hard disk is running well. So you have to see which section, percentage util section, that is the last column, right? So you can see here DM1 is busy 0.08, another is busy 1.61. So this way you have to see the last column of this command, that how much your hard disk is utilized in percentage. So that is a good command to see the hard disk status, how much it is busy, right? So that is a good command. As you can see that my hard disk DM0, that is RHL root, is busy 1.65. So it is a ideal condition, right? If it is busy 50%, it is a moderate busy. It is, if it is busy 80 to 9%, it is a basically very high busy, right? And if it is more than 90%, it is a hardest bottleneck, right? So always remember these values. Now we will focus on the fourth parameter, that is NIC or network, how much network is busy. So we will run the command system activity reporter SAR. and we will see our device, network device, Dave, and every 3 seconds it will report a fresh value. So screen will refresh and it will show you the real-time value. So system activity reporter will tell me about your NIC, how much it is busy. And at 3 seconds, it will refresh your output. Now see how much your device is busy. So it is my NIC -160. So see the last column, percentage if util, right? So it will show you the how much your NIC is busy, right? So here you can see that my NIC is not much busy, right? So here you will see the last column, right? Last column will tell you that your NIC is busy how much. After that you will see your interface receiving packets, transmitting packets, how much the receiving speed kb per second, how much the transmitting speed, compress packets, right? How much there, multicast package, how much there. So this way it is a good utility to see that your NIC is working and how much busy it is, right? So system activity report is telling you that NIC is how much busy. So this way we have studied that CPU, RAM, hard disk and NIC. These four basically pillars of your system, your server, is how much busy and how to examine them, right? So that is a good way to see that how the Linux server is busy, what is the culprit. So one more command is there, you can see that also. So one more command we are talking about, that is top. Through the top command you can see also. It will show you the how much the CPU is busy or memory is busy. So top command also a good way to see your server statics, right? So if you are liking my channel, my video, please subscribe the channel and like my video, and please support us. And if you want to support us, please donate any amount to this QR code or given number, right? So daily basis I'm uploading one video, and these videos are helpful for Linux admins, RHCSA learners, RSC learners, or those students who want to make project on the Linux on the behalf of final year BCA, BTech, MCA. So they have to study these videos very well. And if you have any question, you can send me the comment so that we can solve that problem that you are facing in your lab, right? So thank you for watching this video.